How do you think it's gonna do against the Golf over there?
I'll probably come in third for sure. I'm willing to bet. Maybe you and I might be like head to head.
Honestly, I think you're gonna beat me. Straight up.
I might be too funny, but I don't want to.
And then the wager is, if the red Z06 wins, then I have to make a, you said a video compilation, right?
That'd be sick. Out of downtown.
Yeah, alright. So we'll do a DTLA video compilation of the red Z06. And then Ian, you can get one too if you want. Damn, son. That shit is fast, bro. Oh my god.
Felt you had to take off too though, like you jumped and then after that, that's when
you gotta think that this is stock. Like ours are like decently modified. Whereas
Yeah.
that's just
On
like,
85.
on 85.
Well, there you have it. We finally raced the Z06, one of my all-time favorite cars, for that exact reason. They're lightweight, you've got long gearing, and they're pretty aerodynamic, and they just sound really good. So it looks like I owe homeboy a compilation video now, so stay tuned for that. And if you made it this far in the video, please support the channel by giving it a like. It really helps me out. Anyways, I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.